Hey, what's up guys? I just want to do a quick review for you on these Tesman multifunction wire strippers, tell you why I like them and what I use them for. So first you can see the actual wire strippers there. Those are set for like auto adjust. So for me, what I like is that I do all kinds of stuff around the house. So changing plugs or changing lighting, whatever, I can use them really easy for some of the bigger wire. Like this is a piece of Romex that I'll show you a demo on in a second. But I also like to do low voltage like LED signs and also use them for this. And I don't have to adjust anything to change for my wire sizes, and I'll show you that also. But then I also like that it has a wire cutter in there. That's typically better for the smaller wire, like the low voltage stuff. And then it has these crimping notches here to use. And another really cool thing it has, you can see this on the back, that green light and this red button. What that's for is a voltage tester. So before you strip or cut a wire, you can hold it up against these wire strippers and it will tell you if it's live or not. So my desk that I'm standing at, I have a charger plugged into it. And this is just a phone charger, low voltage obviously. So I'll go ahead and hold these up next to it. And you can see, even insulated low voltage, it tells me that I have a live wire here in front of me. So I love that while working on anything. Now just go ahead and I'm going to do the demo and show you. So again, just a piece of insulated Romex 12 gauge wire. Go ahead and just pop this in here, squeeze it, and it strips that right off. Doesn't work great on the paper, but you peel that paper back, and now it easily strips the 12 gauge wire itself too. And then like this insulated low voltage wire, I think this is like a 20 or 22 gauge. I can easily go ahead, same thing, put that in there, squeeze the handle, and it strips off the jacket. And then both wires at the same time, put those in there. And it will strip both of those at the same time also. Let's pull that off. So you can see as you're working on any type of small project, for me like the LED signs, lots of wire stripping, and this just makes it so much quicker. So definitely I think Tesman's a good company and they make really good products. I love these.